Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So in today's video, we are not going to talk about makeup related or any beauty related stuff, guys. Yeah, this is very different from makeup actually. So today we are going to talk about cars or automobile or yeah. So I'm gonna talk about that. So I decided to share this one because I find it that there are a lot of people who are in the same situation with us, you know, when you have a car and you have the same situation with us, and I feel like there are a lot of people who could really benefit from this video. So Roki find it very easy to do, so I thought it might be easy for other people to do as well. So I did a similar video like this one, I think it was 2 years ago, and on that video I really received a lot of positive feedbacks, and yeah, there are a lot of people. I never thought that there will be a lot of people who is going to watch that one, and it's not even beauty related. It's, you know, I think the one is where Roki changed our park light, or yeah, front park lights. So I thought there will be a lot of people who are going to benefit on this one, so that's why I decided to share it. So what I am going to show to you is how to change the brake light or the brake light bulb on your car, any type of car. They are the same thing. So of course it's not going to be me who is going to change the brake light bulb. It's going to be Roki, and if you want to see how he will change the brake light bulb, then just keep on watching. So today we are going to show to you how to change the brake lights of your car. This applies to all cars. It's the same thing with different cars, with any cars you have. So he's going to, of course it's not me, he's going to change this one, and he already checked that it's not the wiring, it's really the bulb that is not working. So right now there's no light, so I'm gonna tell him to press the brake. So yan, as you can see, the right side the light's turning on and the left side is not. So yan, this is to show to you that the left side is not really working. So right now he is going to show to you how he will change that one. This is the brake light replacement bulb, and this one costs around roughly 35 pesos. I don't know, sometimes it differs from where you get this from, but this one he got this from a local electric shop and auto shop for only 35 pesos. So this is how it looks like.
Kind of hard because na-assemble clip type.
So this is the brake light part. So make sure to check if you are removing the right part. So the upper part, just make sure to check it. So this is the brake light part. So what you are going to remove is this one at the back. So just make sure that you have removed the right connection, not this one, guys, because this is not the brake light. So gently remove it. So this is the old non-functioning bulb. So this is just, I don't know if you can see if there is any trace.
It's burned.
Yeah, it's a little burned towards here or this part here. So that's why it's not functioning anymore. In order to remove the bulb, it's very simple. You just push and then rotate counterclockwise, and then there it is. Your bulb is out. So make sure you do not pull. Do not pull right away, guys, kasi baka masira. So now, this is the new replacement, and the way to replace it is you need to be mindful on this part, because this is where this little nut here, this is where this is the part where it is going to lock it here. You need to align this one here. So make sure you align, you push, and then you twist clockwise in order for it to lock. Just the same thing when you are removing the old one. So as you can see, there it is. That knot there is already locked here. So I don't know if you can see, but the knot goes on this part, guys. This hollow part here, this kind a little hole here. So try putting it again. Put it again. So the rod, and then you twist it clockwise in order to push down, and then twist clockwise in order for the rod to fit inside this hole. So just be mindful that the placement of the knot is not the same. This one is a little higher and this one is lower, and which is a little bigger. So as you can see, it is very clear to see here that the one is on my left side is higher and the one is lower. So you need to place it accordingly, where you can find this little hole here.
This is higher.
Yeah,
and
this one is a little higher and this one placement is lower. So just be mindful on that.
Higher.
So maybe if you were wondering, oh, why is my bulb not fitting? So you better check if the nut is fitting to the hole inside. So before finally inserting this one, make sure that you wipe clean the bulb so that it will be
There's no other
there's
option.
no streak or something, and then just insert it again. So as you can see here, just match this crevice here. You could match it. You just match what is in here. So yeah, very simple, just common sense, guys. So you match the hole from the ridges, and then you just gently push. If the ridges here matches with it will easily be attached again to its notch.
Okay, it's
So,
locked.
yeah, so that is how it's very simple, guys. Yeah, it's very simple. You're just going to put back the entire light back again. Push, and make sure that is well secured, and then return back the screws so that now that the screws back in, and just make sure that it is fairly secure. Yeah, you have secured it, because you might but while you're driving this may come off. So it's tightly secure, and let's see. Going to test if it is really working. So hit the brake. So both sides now are working, both lights are working. So at first we saw that the left side is not working, and now both of them are working. So that is how you change brake lights on your car. Very simple and easy. Comment below if you have tried doing this one, or comment below if you have any questions regarding how to change brake lights on your car. Thank you for watching.